Hello friends, today we are discussing about the computer concept of class 3. A correct input gives the desk. A correct input gives the desk in a computer. If you put the correct input, that means you result is what? What? Right, wrong, both, none of these. The correct input gives the right input. If you put the correct input, then always you have to see the monitor that display the result is the right options. Correct inputs give the right output. A set of instructions gives to a computer in a computer language is called. A set of instructions given to a computer in a computer language is called computer input, facts and figure, computer output, computer program. Computer program. A set of instructions given to a computer in a computer language is called computer program. A computer is a multimedia machine which accepts. Computer is a multimedia machine which accepts output, both input, none of these. What your options? Computer is a multimedia machine which accepts input through the mouse, keyboard, etc. Dash is a language that a computer understands. Dash is a language that a computer understands. Computer program, computer language, computer figure, none of these. Computer language. Computer language is a language that a computer understood. Computer what understood? Only a computer language. Computer language like C, C++, Logo, QBasic, Java are name of some computer language. LED stands for light emitting device, long emitting diode, light emitting diode, none of these. LED stands for light emitting diode. There are two type of monitor, LED and CRT. LED monitor have the advantage of being lighter in weight. They also consume less power. It is a crisp flicker free display. It is a flicker free. CRT cathode ray tube monitor are bigger than LED, heavier and consume more power than LED. Dash device is used to capture image by scanning. Dash device is used to capture image by scanning. Scanning, pen tablet, webcam, printer. Scanner. Scanner copy a picture or text into the computer in digital format. Which device can be used to input hand draw image and signature? Which device can be used to input hand draw image and signature? Scanner, pen tablet, webcam, printer. Pen tablet. Pen tablet is a computer input device that enable a user to hand draw images, animation and graphics with a special pen-like styles. Pen tablet is an input device that used to hand draw image like signature, etc. Which of following are correct? Which of the following are? Computer gets tired easily. Computers work faster than humans. Computer is emotional. Computer cannot work without instructions. Which of these are correct? Computer work faster than humans. You know that. Computer cannot work without any. If you not given any instruction, computer can't do anything. The input for a computer is given in the form of fact and dash. The input for a computer is given in the form of fact and dash. Instruction, figure, both, none of these. Instruction. Input to a computer is given in the form of certain fact and instruction. Act like such as you put 525 PR entering into the computer. Instructions that you enter to arrange the number in ascending order. So input to a computer given in the form of certain fact and instructions. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, Central Programming Unit, Central Program Unit, none of these. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is a small microchip inside the CPU cabinet. CPU is a small microchip inside the CPU cabinet. The complete unit CPU cabinet with all its components is called the system unit. Which device is used to fit input into a computer? Which device is used to fit input into a computer? CPU cabinet, monitor, keyboard, none of these. Which device is used to fit input into a computer? Keyboard. Keyboard have many rectangular button called key. Keyboard have many rectangular button called key. It has key marked with letters A to Z, number 1, 2, 3, 9 and 0, so on, and sign like this. Pressing the key tells the computer what to do or what to type. This is the feature of keyboard. Keyboard have many rectangular button called key. It has key marked with letter, number and sign. Mouse has mouse has two buttons with a scroll wheel, three buttons with a scroll wheel, two buttons only, none of these. Mouse has two buttons with a scroll wheel. Mouse is a input device used to instruct a computer. Dash allow you to hear sound from the computer. Dash allow you to hear sound from the computer. Keyboard, mouse, speaker, none of these. Speaker. Speaker allow you to hear sound from the computer. Which machine to react like human being? Which machine to react like human being? Artificial intelligence, mini computer, PC personal computer, none of these. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machine to react like human being. Artificial intelligence like robot. This device have you have put the artificial intelligence to is the ability to machine to react like human beings. Which device that allow you to record sound into the computer? Which device that allow you to record sound into the computer? Scanner, headphone, microphone, none of these. Microphone. Microphone, short for mic, is a device that allow you to record sound into the computer. Microphone is a device that allow you to record sound into the computer. Thank you for watching Computer Concept of Class 3. Thank you.